lads.
Right boys, if anyone has got me on Snapchat or Instagram, you know that I'm thinking about going up to the mountain which is near me and just walking up it. Like, I was gonna do a video of like how to wash a wrapped car, but it's raining, lads, and it's raining, lads. Well, I don't know whether to do it. I mean, is it safe if I go my own? Is it something you'd want to see? I think it'd be pretty funny, you know. I'll get the GoPro on the Subaru on some of the roads and then have a nice little walk up to the top, nice little vlog session. Yeah, that's what we're doing, lads. It's gonna be a good video. That's what we're doing, lads.
So we've got all the GoPro stuff ready.
But we need to go and get a memory card, because I've not got a memory card for this GoPro yet. The one I've been testing it on is one from a dash cam, but we need to go and get a memory card. So I'm gonna go to Argos to get a memory card, and then we're gonna go and get some fuel, and then we're gonna head up to the mountains. Right, so we've got all our stuff. My wallet, my keys, all my GoPro stuff, and an extra large Lockwood hoodie, just in case we get a little bit chilly, which we're going to do because it's going to be windy AF at the top of that mountain.
There she is. Oh, there she is. I was supposed to do a photo shoot tonight, and she's really dirty, but oh well. You have to do some dirty pictures, isn't it?
But we need to go and get a memory card for Marcus or something first for the GoPro.
So we've got a memory card. Right, so we've just got some fuel, and this dickhead's walking across the road. Good one, lad. So we've just got some fuel, and we're going to head up to Bolton now, which is where Rivington is, if you're not from the north. It's probably about a 20-minute drive, so I'm not going to show you this bit because it's boring. And while I'm up there, a lot of people have been saying, oh, you need to change your picture, your YouTube picture, you need to change your YouTube picture. I'm going to get a good YouTube picture, a new thumbnail, a new avatar, icon, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to get one while I'm up there. I've got an idea for it, so I'll see you soon, lads. I'm going to pull over here, lads, because this is where the nice roads start up there. So we're going to put the head mount on here, so we're going to get like a POV shot. And then somewhere at the point I'm going to put it maybe behind me, maybe at the back of the car to get some exhaust noise. I'm just going to experiment today with the GoPro, so turn that indicator off. So cue the POV shots. Here we go, boys. So there's some nice roads up here. If anybody wants to know, this is called Rivington. This Merc's getting on my arse here. Does he want some? Does he fucking want some, this lad? But yeah, I'm only going slow because this road ends in a few seconds. And then we have to like jump across two quite busy roads, and that's when the fun roads start. And there's like a really big overview as well, so like it looks over the whole of like Manchester and stuff. So look, I'm going to show you that, lads, as well, but you'll see what I mean here. Hopefully this Merc follows me because he wants it, and he's gonna get it. Yeah, so we're going over there. They make me laugh. So I don't really, they aren't the nicest roads, just this bit here anyway, this bit's really bumpy. So I'm kind of glad I've not got the coilovers yet, because otherwise this would be painful and dangerous. Dangerous because when you're on coilovers you don't have any road travel. You don't have anything to soak up the bumps, so if you go over a bump and you're a little bit sideways, you're just going to skip. But look, it's quite pretty. It's a lot prettier in the day. It's a shame it's raining. But if it wasn't raining, I wouldn't be doing this today. I would be doing a wrap detail. And I hate doing detailing videos because there's so many fucking opinionated people on YouTube. This Astra's going to ruin our fun here. Might have to go for a cheeky nut over tizzle. Yeah, we can't have this. Might go for a cheeky overtake when the road straightens up. If you can hear something knocking about, YouTube comments, no it's not my suspension, no it's not whatever the fuck you think it is, it's my exhaust sounds in the back of the boot, alright? So, yeah. Yeah, we're not going to stop at the lookout because it's really cloudy, so it's just going to not look very good, to be honest. It's annoying, like when people, they do under the speed limit, but it's not that much under the speed limit where you can like go, oh fucking hell, let's take the piss and then go and then overtake him. Do you know what I mean? I mean, I still want to overtake him, but and we definitely are going to do now, because now he is taking the fucking piss. when it's sunny it's quite nice. Now it's not very nice. I need to take you lads like up to the Lake District and stuff. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. I know a lot of you lads will be from up there. And some of the roads around the Lake District, also Wales as well, it's absolutely gorgeous. I did do a a subscriber meet up Wales, my 10,000 subscriber meet. If you did come to that, shout out to you, my OGs. No, but it was a really nice day, and we went all around North Wales, and it was so much fun. And a lot of people say, will you be doing that again? Yes, I will 100% be doing that again. Maybe not Wales, but maybe somewhere a little bit different. But that'll definitely happen again. It was great just to have a day just full of subscribers. It was absolutely great. And some of the roads on there are absolutely amazing. Obviously we might go somewhere else, we've been to Wales before. I'm thinking maybe like Lake District or something, but that will definitely be happening in the summerish time. And now this is a 50-mile-an-hour zone, lads, so it's not very fun around here. But I'll catch you back in a minute, because that's when the fun roads are there. When you see them signs, lads, the white circle with a black line through it, that means go, 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 go. If you're not from the UK, that basically means national speed limit, which is the fastest you're allowed to go in the UK. Roads are very, and I've not got the best tyres on at the minute. Well, not at the minute, but woo, bit of backfire then. Get them windscreen wipers on, boys. In January, and there was black ice on this bit here. Oh wow, I turned and I just went straight there. I didn't actually hit the verge. This was in the McGann. Cyclists will take it a little bit slow. Now this is one of the stop-off points which I wanted to get a picture, but she's there, so she's gonna ruin the shots. Fucking hell, get closer, what, mate? Ooh, another backfire then. Random sheep, you eat, lads! Another backfire, woo! I just can't wait to get it matte, so it will literally pop a flame every time I change gear, because I'm going to get anti-lag on it. Is it still there? Yes! Look at this view, lads. Gorgeous. All over here, it's actually a really nice spot. I'm just trying to, and I can smell some brake pads burning. Well, you can see the heat. Well, look at this heat, lads. Heat coming off them. Holy shit! Well, it's definitely that. Wow, they're getting hot. I'll just let the brake cool down for a bit, then I think. Yeah, the front brake pads are absolutely boiling. Beast. And of course, when I've got the fucking GoPro on the exhaust, it doesn't fucking pop. And it doesn't backfire. Of course it doesn't. That's alright though, because we're getting mapped soon, and then it'll 100% will be doing. So no one's here. Like, this is like probably like the busiest point in Rivington, and nobody's here. Like, perfect time to get a thumbnail. Right, we'll see you later, Stella. Let's see how far we can get. There's two people up there, a lad and a girl, about in their early teens, kissing, sitting on a rock. A little bit strange, but I suppose. Oh, look at her. Oof. Oh, look at that car. Yeah, I've not got any water or anything, so it's a bit dangerous. Look at Ellie, you're only going up and out, you're not going to fucking Sahara. Can we just appreciate that car? Ooh. Fucking hell. Thank God I didn't put that jacket on straight away, because man, it's hot. And I've already made mistake number one. I've not brought a spare pair of shoes. Fucking hell. Anyway, onwards and upwards, lads. When I came up this bit, there's about 15 horses here, just chill as fuck. And I was like spending like 20 minutes with them. Absolute lads. Shout out Jeff. Miss you, lad. I'm also regretting wearing 2 pairs of joggers. Oh my god, it's getting warm. And I really should have bought a drink. Every time I come up here, I always forget to bring a drink. And every time I come up here, I always wish I did. I need to learn from my mistakes. Oh my god. I'm probably like a fifth of the way up, lads. So there's 2 steep bits of the climb. Well, they're all steep, but 2 really steep bits. This is one. Another one is right at the end. Oh, wow. It's getting warm, boys. A layer's gonna have to come off. This jumper's gonna have to come off. Oh, God. Let's look at the bright side, lads. At least you don't have to do your leg day this week. Whoa, 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 lock up the thing, man. Lock up the thing. Man, I used to be county level running. I used to be county level cross country. I had trials to go to the Olympics. What the fuck's happening here? I can't even walk, lads. My cardio's gone down the shitter. Right, we're nearing to the top, lads. I can see the castle at the top of the hill. It's getting a lot colder. It's getting a hell of a lot windier. I reckon it's going to be absolute torture for you lads up there with the wind noise on the camera, but we'll see. There it is, lads. There's the top. The camera's making it not look very high, but I assure you it is. And them steps to get to the top of there are a bitch. Lads, final bit of stairs. And I'm going to show you the view when we get up there. Steep this, lads. It's fucking steep, lads. Look at this thing. These things, fucking ankle breakers, these. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, lads. This bit's scary. It was a lot easier getting up on. I'm wearing the wrong creps for this, lads. Wearing the wrong fucking creps for this. Done. I'm gonna go down there. And we're doing bare feet. I've never drove bare feet in this car. I know the clutch is pretty heavy, so. Stalls, here we come. Nah, I'm kidding, I'll do it. Right, lads, I'm going to drive home now. I'm not going to be driving fast. I'm just going to chill. So I'm absolutely knackered. I'm tired for a drink. But I think I'm going to end the video there. I'm going to go and clean the car today. So I've got a photo shoot later. But I'm going to do that in a different video. So I feel like this video is already going to be long enough already. So I think this is the end of the video. So I'm going to just take a whim and just end it here. I never actually end the video, but I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching, lads. I think by the time you were seeing this video, we will be on 20k, which is absolutely nuts, which means the stickers are available. At this point, there is a bit of a delay in the matte black ones, but not many people want the matte black ones anyway. But have a look on the website. If it does just say white and I think it means I've only got them in the minute. There might be a delay in the matte black, but the matte black are coming. But thanks for watching, lads. I love you all. I'll see you next time.